Hello everybody, today it's a beautiful day outside. Oh, my spaghetti is so good. I got a little piece of cheese over here. Let me see, I got enough of this. This is a pecorino romano. Oh, look at this. Now you talk. This dish, I told you true, I can eat by myself. It's the time of the spaghetti. Hello everybody. Today it's a beautiful day outside. And tonight we make Spaghetti Milanese. The Spaghetti Milanese, what you need, I got the spaghetti over here. And I got pecorino cheese. I got a little garlic, butter, parsley, e basil, zafferano, pancetta, wine, and chicken stock. Now, before we start, let me say something. Spaghetti alla Milanese, so you go the northern Italy, make spaghetti Milanese one way. You go the southern Italy, I come for South Italy, it make it change a little bit. Okay, I put the warm up my chicken stock. And I gotta use the zafferano right over here. Over here I use the pancetta, but I don't use no oil. Got the pancetta, it's already a little fat, and we start like this. Okay, now the pancetta, it really look good. And now we saute with the garlic. Okay, now we load this. Okay, now we put the pasta. This I gotta cook only for 4 minutes. Got the rest of the time I gotta take it out and cook it together with the chicken stock. Okay, we give a little turn of this pasta and we go. Okay, now the pasta we turn off. Okay, now the rest, you see, it's a nice al dente. Okay, now this, you gotta cook the rest of the time over here. Gotta put the chicken stock. And I gotta put some of the wine. All right. We make a nice turn with the pancetta. And now we gotta leave it finish cook. And we put the wine. Now it's like a half a cup. You see, the spaghetti, it's a nice al dente. Okay, you gotta finish the cook now. Okay, I put the soup, chicken stock with the zafferano. We start like this. Let's see, so I got enough. This, you see now, it's al dente. And like this, when you cook, it take all the chicken stock out and dry. You gotta cook like I cook it for 4 minutes. Now you gotta cook it for another 6 minutes. Now this is ready, and we put it right over here on the table. Okay, now we put the butter inside. The finish. Give it a turn. Now the pasta, it's really, really hot. Okay, and then we got the cheese. Now we put a little parsley and basil, give a nice color. Okay, now it's the time I want to taste my pasta, my spaghetti Milanese. Oh, my spaghetti is so good. It's a really good taste. I want to say to everybody, salute e cincin ad everybody. A salute. Thank you very much. See next time. Hello everybody. Tonight we make something special. It's so good. We make a penne with the shrimp, spinach, and I got a plum tomato. Now, I already peeled the tomato. It's already done. And the shrimp, everybody see, it's 1 pound of shrimp I got over here. The spinach, it's 8 ounces. and 6 plum tomato. Heavy cream, and I got cheese, garlic, onion, parsley, and flake hot pepper. Okay, we start with the oil. I want to make a nice color of the shrimp. And now we put the garlic. And we make this. Nice fry the garlic. Okay, and now it's a time for the shrimp. The shrimp only you gotta cook like maybe a couple of minutes, not too long. Cause the shrimp you not gotta cook too long. Okay, after still you gotta cook the shrimp together with the tomato. I gotta put it with the spinach. This I cook a little bit. And after I take it out. Now I turn this. Cause we make it nice. Oh, the smell already with this garlic, it's so good. Okay, now the shrimp, I like it like this. And I put a little flake hot pepper and the parsley. I saute together. Okay, give a nice color of the shrimp. Okay, you don't gotta do too long the parsley, because if you cook it too long the parsley, what happens, the parsley burn. Okay, I load that the gas, and now I want to take it out, the shrimp. Okay, now it's a time because we got to do the tomato. And I put oil, and I got over here little garlic and onion. We saute this a little bit. Okay, I got to put the plum tomato. This is the plum tomato. It's not my plum tomato. I was buy. And what I do, I put in hot water, and you take the skin out, and you got like this. You know, it's not the same taste when you buy in a can. When it's fresh, it gives you different taste. Now it's a time we put the plum tomato. Now the plum tomato, I leave it cook about 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, now it's a time of the spinach. Everybody know the spinach what it do. It do this. He give it to me. Big muscle. Okay, now the spinach. But we gotta turn a little bit on a time. Okay, I got the spinach, you know. The spinach right away, it go down. Tonight I gotta have a delicious dinner. And plus, chin chin. And salute everybody. I don't want to miss my chin chin. Okay, let me put all the spinach inside. I gotta cook not too long, for a couple of 2 or 3 minutes. Now, the time this spinach, it go down a little bit, I want to pick up my pasta. And the penne, you gotta cook, I like al dente, but you gotta cook 11 to 12. But I cook this for 10 minutes. Okay, now we put the heavy cream, it's half a cup. We load down the gas, and we make a turn on this, like that. Okay, now we put the shrimp, everything together. And I give a nice turn on this. Now we gotta wait the pasta to cook, and I put right inside on these spots over here. Okay, now the pasta is ready, and I want to take the pasta like this. It's okay, see, you got a little water, okay? You need little water to on the pasta. Now we put cheese. I leave more cheese. Okay, after you gotta go on the top when you put on the dish. Oh, look at this. Now you talk. I mix this. I'm ready to eat. Okay, now we put on this big dish, the spasa. Oh, look at that. It's really nice, really good stuff. Now we put cheese. Oh. I want to test the shrimp first. Look how big, boy. Look like lobster tail. Spice, like I like. the penne, the pasta al dente. E this, it's more al dente. Salute e cincin everybody. A tutti quanti, io mi bevo wine a faccia vostra e voi ne bevete niente. I drink the wine and I don't want to give no wine to nobody, only for me. Salute e cincin. You know why? Because the spinach, look this, my spinach tonight. Salute e cincin. I'll see you next time. Hello everybody, tonight we make easy dish. We make spaghetti, garlic and oil. Now I got over here 1 pound of spaghetti. I got a nice basil, lot of garlic. I got my Olio baby. It's the hot pepper. A lot of people said to me, oh, you put the baby? No, this is the Olio baby. You need oil. And I got a little piece of cheese over here. It's a pecorino romano. Okay, now the water boil. And I use sea salt. I don't measure. You know, I use my hands like this. I drop the salt like this. Okay. Now it's the time of the pasta, the spaghetti. And the spaghetti you gotta cook about 8 to 9 minutes. But I like my pasta al dente. And we give a little turn at the pasta, the spaghetti. Okay, now I put the gas on for this pasta. I gotta use it for the oil, garlic, and hot pepper. Okay, this oil is enough. And now we put the garlic. Now I put my Olio baby and fry it together with the garlic. And already the smell, it's really, really good. The garlic and the hot pepper. Okay, let me see the pasta. So it's standing up. I like pasta when it's standing up. Standing up, it's al dente. I think maybe one more minute. 1 minuto. 1 minute. Okay, now the pasta is ready, but when I drain the pasta, make sure to leave a little water. Got the garlic and oil and spaghetti, you need a little water. Now we put it back on the stove, like this. And now, this you gotta go right on the spaghetti. Now we give a nice turn. Look at this. When you see this dish with this pepper mayo, yeah, baby, look at this. You put this in the mouth, you dance by yourself. This is the same thing when I was maybe 11 or 12. Okay, still I'm young, I'm only 35, but it's okay. Okay, now we put it on this big dish. This is called in Italy aspas. I got some nice fresh basil over here. And I don't cut it with a knife. I like to do by hand, because when you cut it with a knife, the basil, it loses all the juice. I got a little piece of cheese over here. Let me see, I got enough of this. This is a pecorino romano. Now, when I was in Italy, come back for the farm, the work, my father was say, «Ehi figlio, piglia la tiella e mettici l'acqua e mettici un poco di sale, mettila a volo che stasera facciamo un bello piatto di spaghetti aglio e olio». Hey, tonight, you know what we do? Get a nice big pot and we make spaghetti, garlic and oil. That's the way we was eat in Italy. Okay, now let me taste my spaghetti, garlic and oil over here. My Olio baby, I gotta taste this too. Salute, cin cin. Now, this, we was make garlic and oil like this, but a lot of time, we was like anchovy. Now, so everybody want to say, another dish, garlic and oil with anchovy, please, light, thumbs up everybody, and next time I make anchovy. spaghetti con alici, aglio, olio, peperoncino amaro e alici. E va tutti amici quando ti mangi alici. Salute, cin cin, thank you very much. Hello everybody, tonight we make another easy dish. I was making this dish a long time ago, but we want to do something different. We gotta make spaghetti with a fresh tomato. Look how beautiful, nice tomato we got over here. Now, this recipe, like I say, we was a long time, and we do something different tonight. We got spaghetti with a small tomato, and I got a mozzarella, a basil, and I need the pecorino cheese. I got the water already boiled. It's time to pour the spaghetti. The spaghetti gotta cook for 9 minutes. Okay, now the pasta boil, and I want to start with the tomato. Now this tomato, gotta be cooked. This gotta be everything raw. The tomato, the basil, everything gotta be raw on this dish. Now we split this tomato in half like this. Look how beautiful it looks inside. And now all this you gotta be cut. I cut the rest. Look at this tomato, are nice juicy. If you want to see more juicy, you do like this. And nice crunchy. It's really nice. Okay, now we start with the pecorino cheese, and I put this right over here. And the rest, if I need more, I can use more. Now I gotta pick up a little water for the pasta, because I want to mix this. We put water over here. It's 1 cup, but this we see how many I gotta use. Okay. Now we put the water over here. We make it like cream, not too liquid and not too thick. Okay, now the pasta is done. Turn the gas off. Let's drain this spaghetti. Okay, now the pasta go right on this dish, and we give a nice mix. Got a lot of pecorino cheese on a bottle. Oh, the smell. Okay, now we put the tomato. Look how beautiful. It's a nice dish. And the basil. The basil, make sure to not cut it with a knife. Okay, you cut it with a knife, it's lose all the juice of the basil. Okay, now we give a nice turn with the tomato, everything. Okay, now it's a time of the little mozzarella. Look how nice. All right? Okay, now let me taste this nice spaghetti over here with all this stuff. This dish, I told you the truth, I can eat by myself. Plus, I like to put a little bit more pecorino cheese on the top. Look at that. It's the time of the spaghetti. The pecorino, when you turn with the water, the pasta water, it comes to taste really, really good. I hope somebody make this dish, and I want to know, say you like or not. Make sure to let me know, okay? Thank you very much, everybody. And I'll see you next recipe. Okay, look at this. Really good. Thank you.